Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Cancer placement. So, yeah, ang ating i-read is kung anong kailangan mong malaman pagdating sa person mo. Okay? So, yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga items, okay, for protection, yan, sa mga negative energies, si love bracelet, si granter necklace, and doon sa ating new item for cord cutting. So yeah, just message me. Okay, so there, yeah. Okay, so gagamit tayo ng oracle cards for you, Cancerians. Okay, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, Cancer, anong meron? Physical. Pagdating sa physical, okay, nitong taong to, kukuha tayo ng energy. Okay, Cancerians. Okay. Para malaman mo, okay, na pwedeng merong connection, okay? Oo, na makuha tayo dito sa tao. Okay. So, ano bang meron sa kanya, Cancer? Anong meron sa kanya? Like, physically. Sa looks. Tingnan natin. Okay. Older than you. Okay, so pwedeng mas matanda sa'yo. Mga pababae, mga palalaki. Okay? Pwedeng mas matanda sa'yo. White, gray hair. Oh, okay. So, may chance na sabihin natin some of them kahit mas matanda sa'yo, they're into fashion, parang ganyan. White, gray hair, iba sa kanila pwedeng nagpakulay lang, pero iba sa kanila pwedeng maputi na talaga yung buhok or may puti na sa buhok. Okay, so what else for Cancer? Ano bang meron sa person mo? Okay, witch. Okay, so dito para sa lahat, I think. Okay, so somebody pwedeng they're into this rituals, sabihin natin mga gawain na hindi normal para sa iba. Okay, they're into that maybe. Okay, so yeah, mga ganyang bagay. Ano pang meron sa kanya, Cancer? Elderly. Talagang talagang mas matanda sa'yo to. Okay, yung energy niya, Cancer, mas matanda sa'yo. Okay. What else? Same height as you. So, pwedeng magka-height kayo. Okay? Pwedeng magka-height kayo nitong taong to. What else? Beard. Some of them pwedeng merong hair pagdating sa mukha nila. Okay, facial hair like that. Okay? So, kung babae naman ang nasa isip mo, so X mo na to, no? X mo na to. Hindi naman okay, hindi mo kailangan kunin 'yon. Okay. Kung babae yung ka-connect mo, okay? This is for the collectives kasi, collectives. Okay? So, halo-halo to. Okay. So, what else? Kuha pa tayo. Okay. So, some of them pwedeng may kaputian or sabihin natin meron, albino. Okay? Hindi naman sila. So, maybe this is like pagdating sa skin nila. Kaya in general, nandun lang yung kaputian, no, ng taong yan. Maputi. Okay. What else? Last. Para sa energy ng mga Cancerian. Energy ng iyong kakonek. Anong meron? Physical. Okay. Mixed color eyes. Some of them pwedeng foreigner or they just into parang contact lenses maybe. Okay. Pero may ganito, no? Like, literal, na magkaiba yung kulay ng mata. Okay, so this is so specific. Pwedeng may chance yung person mo is may ganitong traits, physical traits. Okay, so there. So, yeah. Okay, older than you. So, yan nga. Pwedeng mas matanda sa'yo tong taong to. They're into magic. Okay? Something like magic, tarot, mga ganyan. Okay? So, they're into rituals, or maybe they just want that kind of mga gawain. Maybe they're into that mga gawain, mga ganyan, if ever. Some of you, pwedeng tago ito. Okay? Pwedeng tago, hindi mo alam na yung person mo is into that, into this. Okay? Mga ganyan. Pwedeng iniisip mo lang din na yung person mo is a witch. Okay? Yung pwedeng iniisip mo na parang ginagayuma ka. Okay? Hindi para sa lahat, pero iba sa inyo, pwedeng ganun ang iniisip mo pagdating sa person mo. Ginayuma ka. Okay? Ha? So, yeah, same height as you. So, pwedeng hindi naman nagkakalayo yung height ninyo nitong person. Okay? So, if this is a man, if this is a boy, o diba, a man, a male, they have beard, okay? Facial hair. Yan, mga ganyan. Okay? So, yeah, kung babae man, yeah, iba naman, no? Pwedeng may ganun like, medyo mayroong kaunti ang facial hair, no? Hindi naman exage, no? Yeah, di ba? May mga ganun. Pwedeng may napapansin ka sa kanya na, ay, ganto, ganyan, ganyan. Okay. So, they're white, or maybe they're like fair skin. Okay? And yun guys, ang isang specific dito, pwedeng foreign, or they just like to wear something like, yeah, contact lenses, like that. Okay? So they're into fashion, like, yeah. Okay? So yun ang aking nakikita pagdating sa kanya, like sa physical looks. Okay? So sa tarot na tayo. Okay. Saan ko ba pwedeng ilagay itay? Okay, dito na lang. So, Cancer. Anong meron sa person mo? Yan. So, okay. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Cancer. Okay. So, anong meron sa person mo? Okay. Anong energy niya? Anong meron sa kanya? Para malaman mong siyang siya. Ito. Okay. Okay, Cancer. Anong meron sa person mo? The Two of Cups. Okay, so maybe some of you feel or you felt a strong connection with them. Okay? The Two of Cups. Strong connection. Some of you, this Two of Cups, this is like an energy of soul recognition, something like that. Okay, anyway. Two of Cups, the Queen of Wands. So, we attracted pagdating sa kanya physically. Okay? So, maybe this person is physically, sabihin natin attractive. Mga pababae, mga palalaki ko naman ang gender niya, they're physically attractive. Attractive in general. Okay, attractive in general. Some of them, meron silang energy ng Nine of Pentacles. You see this person as someone who is so independent. Okay? Some of them, they're, sabihin natin parang financially, sabihin natin parang independent. Okay? Financially. Yeah. They can provide for themselves, for other people, like that. Okay? Some of you may pera tong taong to, so pwedeng kaya nilang mag-provide ng something para sa sarili, so they look attractive, they will look attractive, parang ganyan. They can provide everything for themselves, okay? Yeah, the Ten of Pentacles. Talaga may pera tong taong to, no? Okay? Some of them. Yeah. Humahanga ka, malaki ang hanga mo dito. Malaki yung paghanga mo dito. Malakas ang attraction. Yung iba sa kanila, charismatic. Opo. Okay. So, anong meron sa situation ninyo? Cancer yan. Sa anong situation nyo? The Three of Cups. Oh. Is this person single or hindi? Somebody is connected sa ibang tao. Okay? The Three of Cups is here. Sana walang third party, no? Oo. Pero yeah, there's this energy of third party pagdating sa situation. What's this? It's a Hanged Man in reverse. Pwedeng meron na ditong gustong kumawala sa energy ng third party. Meron na ditong gustong kumawala. Pagdating sa sitwasyon, somebody maybe is waiting na may mag-end sa kung kaninong connection. Okay? Ayaw ng isa dito. Meron sa situation na parang ayoko ng walang label. Yeah. Yeah. Somebody is too protective. Meron din ako nakuhang ganyan. Too protective. Okay? So, ano bang emotion mo for them? I don't know. Anong emotion niya for you? Okay? Anong emotion itong person mo for you? Cancer? What is their true feelings, true emotion for you? King of Wands in reverse. They like you? Okay? Pero, wala akong makita ritong parang energy ng meron silang focus or goal pagdating sa'yo. Pero yeah, they like you. Okay? What's with that King of Wands in reverse? Yeah, the Nine of Swords. Yeah. They're stressed. Some of them, they're scared. If you want this person to pursue you, they're scared. Kung gusto mo na ilaban ka nitong taong to, they're scared. Meron ditong gusto nang kumawala sa isang connection, I think. Okay? Yeah, the Four of Cups. Okay, in reverse. Meron ditong gusto nang kumawala. Another four. Four of Swords in reverse. Yeah. Emotion niya for you, they're scared. They're scared. Alam mo, Cancer, may chance na itong taong to is merong kakonect. Okay? Pero nakakaramdam ka ng strong connection, strong feeling for this person. Okay? Some of them, gusto na nilang makaalis dun sa kakonect nila. Yeah, they're just waiting. Ayaw nila gumawa ng kung ano man na action. Feelings niya for you, hindi sila ganun ka-sure pagdating sa anong mangyayari sa inyong dalawa. Okay? So, wala itong parang energy ng solid intention, solid emotion, okay? They're afraid kasi. Takot sila. Ipakita kung ano yung totoo. Okay? I don't know why. Kung wala mang third party, some of you, nakakita ko rito ng no label. Gusto nang maalis yung no label, gusto nang magkaroon ng sabihin nating masasabing mag BFGF kayo. Mga ganyan. Okay? I think this person, if ever Cancer yan, no, kung hindi ka nagiging straightforward for them pagdating sa emosyon mo or pagdating sa kung anong meron sa label, sa kung anong meron kayo sa sitwasyon, they're afraid. It's like maraming pinag-iisip itong taong to. Seryoso kaya sa akin si Cancer? Parang ganun. Okay? Now this person likes you. I like you. What is their energy right now? Anong energy niya sa ngayon? Anong energy niya? Two of Swords in reverse. Okay. So, alam ng tao itong kailangan niya gumawa ng desisyon. Okay? What's with these Two of Swords in reverse? The Devil. Trying to connect with you, trying to be open with you, to you. Being sexually. Okay? The Empress. Some of them, nakakita sa'yo itong taong to ng something lang na parang comfort. Okay? Because this person, I think, is too busy. Sobrang busy. We have here the Empress. Okay? Some of you, basta kanila po, may anak. Okay? Magulo ang utak niya. Yes. Alam niya na kailangan niyang gumawa ng desisyon pagdating sa inyo, pero hindi niya kaya. It's like sobrang gulo. Anong tingin niya sa'yo, Cancer? Anong tingin nito sa'yo? Let's see. The Fool. You're afraid? You're afraid din? Tingin niya sa'yo, you're afraid. Hindi ko sinabing ganun ka, ha? Yun ang tingin niya sa'yo. Why? The Six of Swords. You're afraid to pursue them. Or maybe you're afraid to, kung ano mang goal meron. Okay? Gusto ng taong to mag-take risk ka sa kanya. I think. Okay? Kaya parang ganun rin like pinanghihinaan rin ng loob tong taong to. Okay? There's a lot of in and out maybe sa inyong dalawa. On and off. Or just like sex-based connection na meron kayo. Okay? Gusto ng taong tong makitaan ka ng progress. Gusto ka ng taong tong makitaan ka ng goals. Okay? Direction pagdating sa inyong dalawa. So that's why tingin nito feelings niya for you is they're like unsure. Andun yung takot. Okay? So hindi niya kayang mag-settle down sa'yo. Kasi hindi nila nakikita na kaya mo mag-settle down or kaya mo silang i-pursue. Okay? Ganun ang tingin nila sa'yo. I think this person merong kakonek. Gusto na lang din siguro na itong taong to na may mag-end doon sa part niya, pero hindi niya gagawin. Yung totally like, okay, makikipaghiwalay ako or what. Parang ganun. Hindi niya gagawin yun. Okay? Kung hindi ka nakikita ng taong to ng goal para sa inyong dalawa, hindi ka para i-take risk o hindi ka para ipag-take risk ng taong to, Cancer. Okay? Oh my. What is their next action towards you, Cancer? Their next action towards you. The Ten of Swords in reverse. Yeah, you're in a cycle. You're in a cycle. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. The Magician. Oh no, this is too many. Okay, so Ten of Swords in reverse, the Ace of Swords. They will give you answers. Okay, they will give you clarity. Didepende sa kung anong ginagawa mo. Okay, didepende yung sagot niya. Didepende yung next action niya. Sa magiging mga gawa mo, sa mga reaction mo, sa mga nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Okay? Whether this is answer, this is cutting off, clarity, closure for some of you. Okay? Depende sa magiging action mo or sa mga ipapakita mo sa kanya, Cancer. Okay? So, advice. Tingnan natin. Okay, Cancer. The Hermit. This is searching for something. Anong meron dito sa Hermit? And this is like pag-aaral, okay, sa situation na the Hierophant in reverse. If you're not ready for them, be clear, okay? Huwag ka lang din maghihintay dito sa taong to. Okay, the 7 of Pentacles, the 3 of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, Cancer yan. Kung alam mo na parang hindi ka makakapagbigay ng magandang sitwasyon para sa kanya, layuan mo na. Okay? Or huwag kang maghintay. Alam ko, siya yung taong gusto mo, the 9 of Cups in reverse. Feeling mo, this is like hopeless. Feeling mo itong taong to is your, the one that got away if ever magkakaroon ng ending dito. Pero, you need to grow. Okay? Some of you need to grow. Cancer. The Hermit. Marami kang kailangang makita, ma-realize, if ever. Okay? This is like a lesson. I think, this is just a lesson. Para may matutunan ka nga. No, Cancer yan? Depende. Okay? So, kung anong situation meron kayo ng taong to. Kung kayo ay sex-based lang, kung kayo ay money-based lang, wala kayong label, yeah, I think there's a lot of, sabihin nating matututunan. Meron kayong mga kailangang matutunan dito, Cancerians. Okay? Para maging ready ka. I think si Universe, inihahanda ka. Okay? Inihahanda ka sa, sabihin nating, doon sa parang person mo na talaga, I think. Okay? Marami kang matututunan dito, Cancer. Ito sa situation na meron kayo. Yes, you love this person a lot. A lot. You have this huge, big emotion for them. Tingin ko nga parang siya na yung wish fulfillment mo, pero hindi nakikisama, no, yung situation. Yeah. I think, bigay lang ni Universe sa'yo ito para matuto ka. Tinatry ka ni Universe na i-challenge. Tinitingnan niya kung handa ka na ba doon sa talagang para sa'yo. This is just like a lesson. Okay? A lesson. Yeah, the Star. So, some of you have to heal. Kahit sabihin nating siya yung para sa'yo, tingin mo siya yung para sa'yo, pero kung hindi nakikiayon yung situation, I think that's not for you, I think. Okay? Yeah. Anyway. So, tayo muna sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. Okay, the zodiac sign you're dealing with. Okay, Aries. They like you. They want you. Taurus. Some of them, ikaw pa rin ang gusto. Diba sa kanila, kung iniwan ka nito para sa iba, hindi naging successful. Okay? You're like the best option. Parang ganyan. For them. Gemini. Some of you nakakita ko ng energy dito ng make-up sex with a Gemini. Okay, you have this on and off with this Gemini. Cancer. Okay, there's this a lot of conflicts. Okay, a lot. Leo. A waste of time. Yeah, they're a waste of time. Virgo. They want to talk. They want to communicate. They're watching you. Yeah, they're watching you. They're stalking you. Libra. There's this energy of making a decision. Okay? They're making a decision. Or maybe you have to make a decision for them. Okay, Scorpio. They like you, they love you, you're their wish fulfillment. Okay? Sagittarius. Knight of Pentacles in reversed. There's this energy of pagmamatigas. Okay? Ego, pride. Some of them, they have money issue. Capricorn. They're not talking. Okay, they want to take a rest, or pwedeng may mangyaring breakup with this Capricorn. Aquarius, they're not in, yeah, this Aquarius is inconsistent. Okay, they're inconsistent. Pisces, cooperation. Ano nakukuha ko from them. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, Cancerian placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.